Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to apply for UGC. So let's get started. First open roblox.com. Now press on Avatar Shop. As you can see, there are multiple options. Press on Accessories. Now open another tab and click devform.roblox.com. As you can see, UGC applications are now open permanently. Now scroll down to Ready to Apply. You can check out the link and submit your application. This is the application form. Type in your name, your last name, your email address, and so on. Fill the form according to your Roblox profile. Then click on Submit the application. Once submitted, you have officially applied for the Roblox UGC program. Now press on the 3-bar option on the left side of the page and click Home. And you're done. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.